What's up? It's Attorney Allie Booker, your favorite attorney, of course, coming to you with answers to a legal question about Amazon Prime or Amazon. Okay, so I received an email that says Amazon has been delivering packages to the wrong address, but this time Amazon delivered my package to the wrong address and kept my money. Then, after speaking with two customer service employees, they denied my refund and said they did nothing wrong. So I asked her to speak to a supervisor, and he was able to locate where the package was delivered and issue a refund. Then, an hour later, I was logged out of my Amazon Fire Prime TVs and found out they reversed the decision again, canceled my refund and Prime membership account. Can I sue Amazon? They delivered my package to another address, but they denied that even though I have photo evidence. This happens a lot, guys. And what I think you should do is you might need to sue Amazon. So what you're gonna do is turn in whatever evidence you have to Amazon. Amazon knows that they have a few little poo shiesties on their team, and they know that people are stealing. And a lot of the times, what happens is they have to catch up with those people on the route that are doing the crime. So a lot of the times, in order to create disarray, an Amazon truck driver may deliver your package to the wrong address, and they may do that in order to cause conflict so that they can then steal it, or they may be stealing other packages, so they just want to create conflict on the route. So you always want to turn that type of stuff into Amazon. Now, my neighbors where I live in Bel Air, I mean, Amazon does deliver packages, and I don't think they're doing it. They're not trying to do it. But sometimes they'll deliver them to the wrong address, and of course, I have a note on my door, and the package is waiting at my neighbor's house. But in all neighborhoods, we can't do that. People are not that nice. And so this is the way I look at it. You want to make sure you're delivering these packages to a neighborhood. If you live in the hood, in the barrio, a place that you know that you should not be getting packages, apartment complexes, things like that, you need to find a place like your job, your mama's house, your sister, your cousin, somewhere you can trust to deliver these packages, honey. Don't deliver them to your house. Just don't do it. Now, I'm from Houston, and even when I lived near downtown Houston, my neighbor would get my packages. Okay, I had a very good, cool neighbor. My neighbor would always get my packages. But a lot of us here, that happen to be in our, I'll just only tell you, I'm in my 30s. And when we were in our 20s, honey, we didn't get packages delivered to our home. We got them delivered right here to the office because we know that nobody in this office wants our stuff. Okay, if anything, they're buying their own stuff. I know I can leave my purse out around here. Ain't nobody gonna steal nothing. They might put some money in it, child, before they take something out of it. So that's the type of relationship you need to have with the people around you where you're getting packages delivered, honey. Because if you can't trust your neighborhood, you don't know who that is. That could be somebody stealing it off your porch. Now, you said that you have photographic evidence, and if you have photographic evidence, Amazon should be accepting that evidence. But if they don't want to accept that evidence from you, here's a way to knock Amazon dead on there. What you need to do is, honey, bring a claim against them in small claims court. Honey, they hate it. Bring a claim against Amazon in small claims court. They're going to have to hire a lawyer in order to deal with that. They're going to have to pay much more than it's worth to deal with that. And they're going to have to answer that claim or be subject to getting a judgment against them in an amount that they don't know. So as long as you know how to sue people, pro se suing people is hard, especially trying to sue places like Amazon because you guys don't really technically know how to do it. You may need to seek the consultation and advice of an attorney who could tell you exactly, walk you through the steps on what you need to do once you sue Amazon so that they're properly served. But yeah, you might need to sue them if they're not willing to get your account worked out. If you're constantly losing packages, stop delivering them to that address, honey. Because again, there is a poo shiesty that is delivering those packages. And if even if poo shiesty isn't stealing these packages, poo shiesty can't read. So we don't need poo shiesty or having your stuff go down the street. You also need to look at your neighbors. I have told you, look at your neighbors. Now, I've never lived in an area where I could not trust my neighbors, but a lot of the times we have to live where we have to live, and we have to do what we got to do. Okay, life is life, and it deals blows. So we do what we got to do. And if I lived in an apartment complex, which I have not in a very long time, but I'm trying to remember what I did then. I don't think I had packages delivered. I lived in a very nice apartment complex. It was upscale, and I still didn't have packages delivered because it was issues with the office getting it, whether the office would be open when I got home. Um, and I would just deliver things to my office, I think, or to my mom's house. So that's probably what you guys need to do. Don't deliver stuff to places that are suspect. Okay, if it looks suspect and it is suspect, don't deliver your package there. You're just playing Russian roulette with your money. But yes, you should sue Amazon if they're not going to do what you want. Make sure that you have the clerk of the court certified mail them to their registered certified mail the petition to the registered agent on file for them with the state that you're in. Okay, so you'll have to look that up so that they're properly served. And I'm sure that they'll go ahead and fix your problem right away because nobody wants to deal with a 70, 80, 200, 300, 400, 500. It doesn't matter. Lawyer retainer fees are much higher than a small claims issue, and Amazon doesn't have time to deal with that. So you may need to hit them where it hurts so that they stop playing with you. And if they're doing this to you, they may be doing this to others. So you may want to go ahead and nip it right in the bud, not only for yourself but for other customers who are having the same issues with Amazon. Okay, thank you. You have a fantastic day. I look forward to accepting your questions. Email them to booker@bookerlawfirm.com. Your question very well might end up right here. Make sure you add me on Instagram, she_ya_lawyer. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, legal, the letter Q, the letter T. All right, well, y'all have a fantastic day. I look forward to reading your questions and answering them and giving you any sort of help that you need along the way. Remember, I am here to help.